Epithelial tissue forms the protective covering of our body surfaces and lines internal organs. Understanding its classification is fundamental to biology. We will explore three main classes based on cell layer arrangement and their relationship to the basement membrane. Simple epithelium consists of a single layer of cells where every cell directly contacts the basement membrane. This type provides efficient absorption and filtration functions. All cells are in direct contact with the underlying membrane, allowing for rapid transport of substances. Stratified epithelium features multiple cell layers with only the bottom layer contacting the basement membrane. This arrangement provides excellent protection against mechanical stress and abrasion. The multiple layers create a robust barrier that can withstand wear and tear in areas like skin and mouth lining. Pseudostratified epithelium appears to have multiple layers but is actually a single layer where all cells contact the basement membrane. The cells vary in height, creating the illusion of stratification. This tissue type is commonly found in respiratory passages and features cilia for moving mucus. Beyond layer arrangement, epithelial tissue is also classified by cell shape. Squamous cells are flat and scale-like, cuboidal cells are cube-shaped with equal dimensions, and columnar cells are tall and rectangular. These shape variations determine specific functional capabilities in different body locations. In summary, epithelial tissue classification combines layer arrangement and cell shape. Simple epithelium has one layer with all cells contacting the basement membrane. Stratified epithelium has multiple layers with only basal cells contacting the membrane. Pseudostratified epithelium appears layered but all cells contact the membrane. Cell shapes include squamous, cuboidal, and columnar, each suited to specific functions.